Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well, blessed and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's the time again of making amazing recipes. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, you are the best, guys. So welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so grateful. Remember to subscribe and like this video. And so guys, let's just get straight into the ingredients. So we are going to be making peas and potato pilau, and I'm also going to be having it with a guacamole or kachumbari as we call it in Kenya. So basically what I need are tomatoes, lemon, onions, an avocado or avocado, we said it depends with where you went to school, and some coriander. For the pilau guys, we are going to be needing some rice, and I have already washed and drained this rice. You can use any rice of your choice, but I'm using pishori, onions, sliced onions. And guys, when it comes to legit pilau, there is no tomato paste or soy sauce needed. I know this is a big debate, but you don't need soy sauce or tomato paste because the onions and the pilau masala give you the color that you need. And so we need potatoes, we need peas, garlic and ginger, and I have some ground masala on my bowl that we are going to grind into fine pilau masala. But I also have a sachet for pilau masala from the Tropical Heat brand. And guys, you can use the Tropical Heat brand pilau masala only, or you can use the pilau masala whole spices and then you grind them, because I believe every blender comes with a grinder. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just putting all my whole pilau, and you normally find it in the supermarket. It's in a pack, it's mixed up. So once I've blended it, it becomes powder form, as you can see, and I love it. And guys, let me tell you, you can use this ground pilau masala, the one that we've grinded, and it's perfect. You don't need to buy any other pilau. But as for me, I like mixing the pilau masala that I make and the Tropical Heat pilau masala, but you can use either or both of them together. So let's get cooking. And guys, the sizzle in my kitchen, you all know that I love it. I love the sizzle. So I've just added onions onto my hot oil, and we are going to cook them until they are golden brown, not burnt, golden brown. So you really need to keep an eye on the onions because they are going to help with the color. Since, as you can see, I have said no soy sauce and no tomato paste, please don't come for me with the stones, but that's the legit authentic pilau. So once the onions are as brown as they are, we are going to add pilau masala and garlic and ginger. And guys, I know that a lot of you make your pilau differently, so kindly comment down below and tell me how you do yours. But if you try my way, trust me, you will love it. So I'm going to add a little bit of the Tropical Heat pilau masala and some of the pilau masala that I grinded with garlic, and give it a nice stir. And guys, in this stage, be very careful, because if you waste any more time, it's just going to move from brown onions to burnt onions. So I added in my peas and my potatoes and gave it a nice stir. And remember that guys, when you're cooking good food, honestly, you don't need a lot of things or expensive things. You can use the easy things that you already have in your house or are just outside your kibanda, and you cook good food. Trust me, good food. So once I've given the peas and my potatoes a good stir, I added in my rice. And remember, I said I washed my rice, but if you are the people that don't wash your rice, that's okay. Just add it in there, give it a nice stir, ensure that the rice, the potatoes and the peas have sucked in the onions and the masala and the garlic and ginger. And then now we are going to add salt at this stage, because what I realized is if you don't add enough salt, the food is going to taste funny. And so guys, imagine all you have to do is cook, lower the heat and cover, and look at that. So it was ready, but I realized the rice was not dry as I like it, and then I left it for a few minutes, and voila, your potatoes and peas pilau is ready. Guys, that's a tongue twister, right? Potato peas pilau. Wow. Okay, it's ready. And I also made the guacamole, or rather the kachumbari, out of the not in the, or rather I didn't record when I was making the kachumbari, but I just mixed everything that I showed you: tomatoes, onions, lemons, avocado, and that's it. Mixed it up together, and this is how I love having my pilau. I know other people prefer pilau, the pilipili ya kukaanga or other ways of having it, but please comment down below and tell me, what do you like having your pilau with? Kachumbari, or are you the people that like juice? Just comment down below and tell me how you like your pilau. And so guys, this pilau is so easy to make, and it came out delicious. I loved how it came out. And so guys, I'm not even trying to like sifu myself, I'm not trying to praise myself, but this was legit good. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please remember to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here below. And guys, thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next one. Bye guys.